Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to make melting moments. You must try these butter cookies. They literally melt in your mouth. They are really popular during the Christmas season and they store very well for a couple of weeks at room temperature. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected. Let's get started. First, let's mix the dry ingredients together. You will need 1 cup of plain flour, that's all-purpose flour, and 40 grams of corn flour, a pinch of salt. Mix all of this well. In a large mixing bowl, I'm adding 150 grams of unsalted butter. It should be at room temperature. The butter really gives us flavor in these cookies, so add a good quality of butter. Mix the butter until it's creamy. Now to the butter, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, also called icing sugar. Powdered sugar has a lot of lumps in it, so always sieve and add. Since we are going to sprinkle the baked cookies with even more sugar powder, I think 2 tablespoons is more than enough. To this, I'm going to add a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix all of this well until it's incorporated. Now I'm going to add the dry ingredients little at a time in 3 portions. Give it a good mix. Corn flour is what gives these melting moments. That soft texture melts in your mouth. I'm going to mix until it's all mixed together. Since it's a small portion, I'm mixing it with my hand. You can use an electric hand mixer or a stand mixer with those paddle attachment. The batter is ready and I'm going to chill this. We are going to roll the batter into balls, so we are going to chill this. Refrigerate for an hour or 2. We don't want the cookies to lose their shape in the oven. We need the batter to be cold. Cover it with some plastic wrap or cling sheet. Line your baking sheet with parchment paper. Add little butter to all 4 sides and in center so that the sheet will stick to the tray. Our batter has been chilled for 2 hours and it's ready to bake. Take a teaspoon of batter, roll it gently with your palms and place it on a baking sheet. Preheat your oven to 350 degree Fahrenheit, that is 180 degrees Celsius, and we are going to bake these for about 12 to 15 minutes, not more than that. For me it took 15 minutes. It might vary, depends upon the oven. or bake until the edges of the cookies start to brown. Cookies are ready to bake. For this measurement, you will get around 28 to 30 butter cookies. Cookies are done. Smells good. And I'm going to let them sit in the tray for 5 minutes. It has come out very well. Going to sift some powdered sugar to roll the cookies in. Cookies are cooled down completely. Now I'm going to gently roll them in the icing sugar. You can make either way, roll the cookies in the icing sugar, or you can dust on top of the cookies. Now gently transfer them to a wire rack. They will store very well for a couple of weeks at room temperature. Must try this butter cookie, you will definitely like it. I hope you enjoy this video. Share your feedback in the comment section. Thank you all so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy baking!